Look at that storm. Can you see it? Wow, it's coming in big. Wind's starting to pick up. The sky is looking wicked. Yeah. Whoa. Down because this is going crazy. Yeah, it's going a little too wacky. Woo! But that's what's coming. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's magnificent. Nature. Yeah, it's warming up really good. It's rumbling strong. I hear it over this area too. Yeah. It's a lot coming. So we are going to have a nice rainy day. And I decided that since my friend Carol Smythe has come to visit again, yay! We're going to Bead in here, so that'll be fun. I'm really looking forward to it. We've got lots of space. We can put on a movie and Bead and talk and have lots of room to chat and maybe make a spot of tea. It'll be fun. And I took down the tarp because it was flapping like crazy because the wind came through, so I've got it secured down, poles and bungees down, so yeah, that's going to work out really nice. And so fresh air. It smells wonderful out here. And see the tarp, that one, see all that? That's wood under there. Brett had got up real early and stocked us up on some wood and covered it in case it rained, and that was brilliant. What a sweet guy. So we'll have a fire tonight because of Brett. He's awesome. So is his gal, Katie. That's their rig over there. They're awesome people. Just love camping with them. But yeah, we're getting a magic show here. It's beautiful. Making some noise. All right, people, wake up and live, have adventures, enjoy your life, and enjoy this show. Isn't it great? Yeah, it is. It's just fun to explore nature in all its various ways. If it doesn't get too crazy and scary. Roxy's come out here, checking things out, seeing what I'm doing. Riley? Nah, she's probably inside Shuttle Babe, underneath pillows and blankets hiding. She is a little princess, and she does not like this sort of thing. So, yeah. Alright, wake up and live. See you guys in the next video. Beach Cricket out. I love her so much. This is Carol. And
I'm not very pretty today.
oh, she's always beautiful. Don't even go there. And she is the one that has taught me how to bead, and I love it. But she really knows what she's doing. Look, this is just a small sampling of what she has here. She has more. You do. You know you do. Here's my little stash.
Well, I'm giving you some of this.
But I'm learning, and she knows all the little tricks, and we've made beads together, and we've had so much fun. So with this rainy day out here, we're deciding to bead. All right, awesome. We'll finish making. It is a bracelet, and it wraps around a couple of times, so it makes several strands go around your wrist. So she's been working on that. Then I have been working on this piece right here, which is right here. It's got the opening right there going down. This, what's happening here is this. Let's go over here. Is that I am making a beaded strand, and then along next to it is a strand of leather that's going to be going all the way down it. Let's just show it like that. It's going to be down it, and then you wrap it. So yeah, this is one I made earlier, and it has a pendant on it, so it's really nice. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. Now let's go check out the weather and see what's going on. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, nice and clear. Yeah, this looks so much better now. Just had a wonderful little storm. Very good. Have your adventures, get out there and enjoy nature. See you guys in the next video, and Beach Cricket out.